Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a lychee mojito. We're going to do two versions. We're going to do one in the rocks and one frozen. Both are pretty delicious. I made a lychee martini last time and I decided to make a mojito with the leftover lychees. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description to show you, as well as the equipment that I used to make this video possible. If you guys want to support the channel, you can do it by subscribing. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for the first one, we're gonna make it on the rocks. We're gonna use vodka, elderflower liqueur, fresh mint, honey syrup, fresh limes, and some canned lychees. Alright, so we're gonna start by adding some lychees into a blender. I'm gonna add about 8. I'm also gonna add some syrup. Now we're gonna blend them. After we strain it, we end up with something like this. We're gonna start by adding 3 lime wedges into a mixing glass. Next, we're gonna add 4 mint leaves. Next, we're gonna add half ounce of honey syrup. Now we're gonna muddle it. Next, we're gonna add some ice. 1.5 ounces of vodka. Half ounce of Saint Germain. And now we're just gonna add 1.5 ounces of the lychee puree we made. We're gonna shake it. And finally, we're just gonna top it out with club soda. And I'm just gonna garnish it with a mint sprig and a lychee fruit. Alright, for the frozen version, we're gonna need rum. I'm using Bacardi, Saint Germain, pineapple juice, honey syrup, fresh mint, and canned lychees. Alright, we're gonna start by adding 5 lychees into a blender. And also we're gonna add 1 ounce of lychee syrup, half ounce of the honey syrup, then we're gonna add 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces of rum, half ounce of elderflower, then we're gonna add 3 mint leaves, finally we're just gonna add some ice, and now we're gonna blend it. And I'm gonna garnish with a lychee and a mint sprig. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, until the next one, cheers!